Friends, if you are using ChatGPT or any other AI tools in your research, then definitely it will simplify your research writing, but you have to be very careful because at the same time it will increase the possibilities of your documents getting caught under this AI detection tools. That does mean your documents can show 100% AI score, and if you are submitting these documents to journals or universities, then you may face several consequences. If you want to avoid that, then you have to follow the techniques that I will be mentioning here in this video very carefully. So hello everyone, I welcome you all to this channel, My Research Support, and today in this video we'll be discussing about 3 important techniques. Those you have to follow, and then even if you're using ChatGPT, then also your research documents may not show any AI score percentage. Most preferably Turnitin's AI detection tool, and this is really the most important thing. There are many AI tools available in the market, and the capabilities of all these AI tools are entirely different. Means let us say in CopyLeaks you will be getting 50% AI score. There is a possibility in Turnitin you may get 20%, then Authenticate you may get 30%, and in that case I will only prefer you to consider Turnitin's AI detection tool, because that is the only tool which is used by most of the universities and journals. And now before we begin, let me clear one more thing. Recently many journals and universities have clearly mentioned that the fair use of AI tools in research is completely accepted. Means if you are using any AI tools like ChatGPT, GenAI, SciSpace, Grammarly to strengthen your research writing, then it is considered ethical. So obviously there is another side where you can misuse this AI in your research writing, so that is completely unethical and you have to stay away from this. Now I'll be giving you one simple demonstration. I'll be generating one file entirely by using ChatGPT, and we'll be discussing about its AI score report in Turnitin. And then I'll be rewriting my own text by using ChatGPT, and we'll be checking that file in Turnitin to see the AI score percentage. So please go through this very carefully, because all these 3 techniques depends on this demonstration. Now let us first generate the text by using ChatGPT. As you can see here, I've used this prompt, generated 1000 words introduction on this specific topic. Okay, and here you can say this introduction is generated. Now what I will do is I will simply copy this entire introduction. Okay, I have already copied this introduction here into this Word file. You can say this, and then I have checked AI score and similarity for this document in Turnitin. So you can see this is the AI score report and this one is the similarity report. So let us first check the similarity report. So we know that when you generate something by using ChatGPT, then most of the times similarity comes around 10 to 15%, and that is quite accepted. In this case as well, if you could see, so this is 15% similarity. So similarity would not be an issue if you are generating or rewriting something by using ChatGPT. So now let us discuss about the AI score report, and the percentage of the AI score is 100%. You can say this. Obviously I have generated entire document by using ChatGPT, and because of that it is showing 100% AI score. So this is for the case if you have generated something by using ChatGPT, and if you want to use this generated text as it is in your research documents. But don't worry, I'll be explaining how to deal with this AI score. And now we will take a second example where I'll be checking the similarity and AI score for my self-written document. So this is simple 1-page document I have considered for this demonstration. So I have written this document in my own words, and I have checked the similarity and AI score for this document. So obviously I have already published this document, and hence similarity percentage would be much higher as it is already published data. So you can take a look at this similarity report where you can see the similarity percentage is around 98%. So if you are rewriting that by using ChatGPT, then even this score can be reduced. Okay, so the most important thing is about the AI score percentage. So AI score percentage is 0%, and this is obvious as I have not used any of the AI tools to write this document, and hence it is showing 0% AI score. Now let me discuss about technique number 1, and that is rewriting your own text. And this technique is highly recommended because there are 99% probability that you will be getting 0% AI score if you are rewriting your own text. It doesn't matter if your English is very poor or you are worst at technical writing, just go on expressing the things in your own words. just write about what exactly this trend, figure, schematics all about, write introduction section, abstract, conclusion, everything in your own words. Then go and rewrite this text by using ChatGPT's free or paid version. Let us take this example. So as we have discussed before, so this is the text which I have written in my own words. So simply what I have done is I have rewritten this text by using this ChatGPT. You can see this. I have put prompt as rewrite, and I have simply copied my entire text from Word file here, and then I have recopied this rewritten text from here into another Word file. So this is the introduction self-written and which is rewritten by ChatGPT. Now I have checked this document in Turnitin. So you can see this. This is the AI score report for this modified document, and AI score percentage is coming out of 0%. If you are doing so, then definitely you will strengthen your research document, and it is completely ethical. There is nothing wrong into it. Otherwise, we know that if we are opting for professional editing services, then we need to pay a very high amount for even single document. Now let us discuss about remaining two techniques. So these techniques can be applied if you want to use a piece of text which is generated by ChatGPT or any other AI tools, and obviously if you are using such text with proper citations, then there is nothing wrong into it. But to understand these two techniques, you have to first understand the basic algorithm which is used by this AI detection tools to catch the AI score. I mean, if repetitive same structures, same level of complexity and unnatural phrasing is observed in all the sentences within the paragraphs, then definitely entire text will be caught under AI detection tools. So what you have to do, if you have generated any text by using ChatGPT or any other AI tool, then simply you have to break the sequence of structures. And how you can do that? By smartly managing the tone of AI written text and humanized text. Let me make it very simple. Now let us consider the same example. Means this is the file that we have generated by using ChatGPT. And now we will be discussing about technique number 2, where if you want to use piece of this generated text or maybe this text in your research writing, then how you can do that without any AI score. And for that, simply you have to rework on this document. So most of the times what happens when we prepare a rough draft, we rework on it, means several revisions will be done from our side, from our supervisor side, and in these revisions, in order to finish this draft, we sometimes change many words, different sentences, we sometimes even add different sentences, any figure, any table. So if you are doing that and if you are checking your final draft, then there is a possibility that initially you are getting 100% AI score, but when you will check the revised draft, so in that case you may get maybe close to 0% AI score. So I have performed the same thing on multiple documents. So let me show you an example. So I have modified this initial draft. So here is the revised file. So while revising it, I have added, so this is the text that I have added. So I have written this text in my own words. Then here also you will find some extension text, and then here I have included one figure and related text. And now I have checked this modified file in Turnitin. So let me show you this Turnitin AI score report as well. So this is the AI score percentage for this modified document, and it is showing star percentage. That does mean your AI score is less than 20%, and because the false positives rate is very high, below 20%, and because of that Turnitin show this as star percentage. So it can also be considered as 0% AI score, and you can see this no text is highlighted as it is showing 0% AI score. And that is why I was talking about that you have to somehow manage the tone of AI writing and the tone of human text. So this text could break the sequence of AI written structures. So in this way, under technique 2, if you could somehow manage smartly the tone of AI written text and human text, then you will be able to drastically reduce the AI score for your research documents. But obviously, if you are opting for technique 2, then you have to put certain efforts. And if you still want to reduce these efforts, then you can move towards technique number 3. So under these techniques, what I have done, I have simply modified the draft by using humanizer. And here let me clear one more thing, that no humanizing tool available in the market is 100% accurate. So if you are humanizing any of the ChatGPT written text, then definitely to certain extent it can degrade the quality. But now I'll be suggesting one humanizer that I found the best in the quality as compared to all the tools currently available in the market. But still, in order to maintain the quality, we are not going to humanize the entire text. So carefully go through this technique. So under this technique, what I have done, so this is the original file. In order to break the sequence, I only copied these 2 paragraphs into this stealth writer interface. Okay, you can see this. So under the stealth writer, you can find many models available, but Ghost model is the best model where you will get comparatively better text, but unfortunately it comes with the premium version only. So if you need any help to get this stealth writer subscription at discounted cost, please write to us. We have provided our email ID in this video description. And here, as you can see this, in this interface, I had copied these 2 paragraphs, and then I have used this Ghost 3.2 model, and then I have humanized the text. So after humanizing, this stealth writer will first compare this text against all the AI detection tools, and then it would be showing yes, it is 0% AI score. So here you can see 3 different paragraphs, but I have only replaced the original text with these 2 paragraphs. So you can see this modified file where only these 2 paragraphs have been replaced. I mean, this is the humanized text. And then I have checked this file in Turnitin for AI, and this is the AI score report. So the AI score percentage is 46%. So it is not star or 0%. So why it is so? Let's evaluate. So if you are humanizing entire text, then as I told you, definitely you have to go through all the text, because there is a possibility that humanizer may change or degrade the quality. And to avoid that, I am saying instead of humanizing entire text, just go and humanize the intermediate text which is generated by ChatGPT. That does mean here you can see I have only humanized these 2 paragraphs, and because of that Turnitin couldn't detect this text as humanized text. Okay, and then in second turn, now what you can do is, now you can go on humanize maybe this paragraph in this stealth writer, and then again you have to recheck this file. So after second turn, there is possibility that you may be getting 0% AI score. So in this way you can make use of this ChatGPT and stealth writer, which is the best humanizer. But in this case, and even if you are applying technique number 2 and technique number 3, then it is always recommended to check your documents in Turnitin's AI, and for that you must have this Turnitin AI access. So for that also, if you need any help, then you can write to us. We have provided our email ID in this video description. So thank you very much for watching this video. I hope this information will help you. If you have any queries, then please do not forget to write us through comments. We'll definitely try to answer all these comments. And please do not forget to subscribe this channel and hit the bell icon. So I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.